You are welcome to our digital class. Our subject today is computer science, and our topic is parts of the computer. We want to learn the parts of the computer. We know what a computer system is that electronic machine that helps us to process our data and to give us our information. Computer system helps us to process our data and it brings out our information. Thank you. Our computer has different parts. They are monitor, 2. System unit, 3. Mouse, 4. Keyboard. 1. Monitor. Monitor is that part of the computer that looks like a television. Monitor is that part of the computer that looks like a television. We can have it like this. Our monitor. It helps us to see what we are processing in the computer. It helps us to see the data we are working on in the computer. Number 2 is our system unit. Our system unit. This is how our system unit looks like. It has different parts, inbuilt parts in there. This system unit is like the brain of the computer. The system unit is like the brain of the computer. This is where the work is done. For example, you say 1 plus 1. You are asking your computer 1 plus 1. The computer will calculate it in its brain, which is the system unit, will process it in the system unit and give you the answer 1 plus 1 equals to 2. That is the work of the system unit. That is the work of the system unit. It helps to process our information in the computer. Then number 3 is the mouse. Mouse is that small part of the computer. It is in form of mouse shape. That's why it's called mouse. It has 2 buttons. It helps us to click on our objects or click on anything we want to work on in the computer. This is our mouse. Then the last one is keyboard. Our keyboard. The keyboard is that part of the computer which helps us to type in your letters and your numbers into the computer. It is through the keyboard that we put in our letters and our numbers into the computer. We want to say 1 plus 1. You type number 1, you put your sign, and you put 1 equals to 2. Keyboard looks like this. You have different keys in your keyboard. You have different keys in the keyboard. So our keyboard are those part of the computer that helps us to type in numbers, letters into the computer. It helps us to type in numbers or letters into the computer. This is our keyboard. Some are numbers. This is the code. Some are numbers and some are alphabets. Okay, so these are the major parts of the computer. The major part of the computer that we can see and touch. The major part of the computer that we can see and touch. The monitor that looks like a television. The system unit, it processes our information in the computer. The mouse helps to click on any object or click on any icon in the computer. The keyboard is that part that houses the keys that we use to input numbers or letters into the computer. Thank you. Finally, we are going to our homework. I want you to do this at home. State 2 parts of the computer you know. From what we have studied so far, I want you to state 2 types of computer or 2 parts of the computer you have know or you know. Also, that part that looks like a television is called dash. That part that looks like a television is called that. That part of the computer that looks like a television, from what we have on the board here, what do we call it? A monitor. B, keyboard. So you tell me the right answer. Thank you.